Alright, y'all. This is iPhone 6s Plus review. I already opened it. But I'll fake open it if y'all want, I guess. What the hell? Alright, let's see. That knife though. Slip. 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 And slip. There you go. It's open now. Alright, I'm a fool. Let's get started. I already did a review with my laptop, that car though, but it was booty. So I'm doing it with my iPhone 5s. And there's the magic phone 6s Plus, as you can see. Sorry. There you go. Nice, neat. Pretty decent. Just the same thing, but it's heavy. A lot heavy. Excuse me. So let's put this aside, put that aside. See what's in the box. Like, so normal, just like every iPhone comes with the headphones, el enchufe, and the cord thingamabobber, charger, whatever. You get it, you know what I'm saying. And this, let's see what this has. Even though nobody opens it already, but let's just open it to see. So we got, is that a sticker? Never mind. Oh, we got instructions, I guess. I use it, so it says, alright, focus. Focus. Why is that focusing? Focus. And you can see it, whatever. Ring silent button, whatever. Y'all know, y'all smart, so I ain't gotta explain this to y'all. Hey, them stickers though. Put on my laptop. It's like, alright, them stickers. Gonna keep those. I put it in the back. Nah. I'm gonna keep it OG the style. Probably put it in my car. My car clean. Wait, alright, let me stop. All the way. Put that back. Put that back. Gotta be organized, you feel me? Yeah, see? Finally got it in. Sorry for the delay. Whatever. Alright, let's put this back. Laminate it. Go like this. Bang. What? Oh yeah. So, I guess let's do review of headphones. Normal basic white headphones. Still very nice. I don't like them though. I like the old headphones. They fit better in my ear. Got fat ears. Just kidding. I got small ears. But headphones are headphones, I guess. Review. Charger. Normal. Charger. Simple. Easy. I guess you can say the poop charger. Everybody knows this poop always breaks. I went through like 10 of these with my iPhone 5s, but whatever. Let's see what else. Well, I guess that's all. Let's close this up. Close this up. Why isn't it closing? Why isn't it closing? Ah. Come on, man. Come on, man. Why you tripping? Why you tripping? Why you tripping? Right. Close this box, put it away. Now this doesn't want to close. There you go. Let's get started. Turn this boy on. I gotta get used to it. It's on the side of the 5S. Let's see. Ooh, that shiny though. That glow. Look at that crystal clean. The reflection on the phone. Alright, stop. Hello. Hola. What the hell? Oh, there you go. Slide. Country. English. Yeah, country. I meant language. State. Country. I mean United States, of course. American iPad. You can see. Next. Name location, I guess. What the hell? And I'll do that later. Set up Touch ID later. I mean, they know. Let's go. Don't add. Later. Continue. Blah blah. Restore from Michael. Restore from iTunes. Back. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna just end it here. Thanks for watching the iPhone 6s Plus unboxing. I know it was horrible, but whatever. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment and everything. Leave comments. Tell me videos you want to see. Let me know. 2 more videos coming ahead. Thank you. Deuces. I'm out, y'all.